we're going to walk through AP automation. Sage Intacct's AP automation agent uses Sage AI to streamline how bills get into your system. For fuel companies, this is huge. You're dealing with high invoice volume. Fuel suppliers, maintenance work vendors, parts, repairs, equipment, and a lot of you are running lean accounting teams. You don't want to hire someone just to sit there and key in bills all day. The AP automation agent focuses on reducing the manual work around bill entry, especially when you're dealing with higher volume. Companies are cutting their AP processing time by up to 65%, saving up to 100 hours per month. And Sage AI learns quickly. The more you use it, the more you save. There are two main ways it works. Those are upload and email. I'll start with upload. Here, I can upload a bill as a PDF or an image. So think emailed invoices or bills, scanned documents, photos, anything like that. Once I upload it, Intacct will read the bill, pull out key information like the vendor, amount, dates, coding, and create the bill for me. It doesn't just blindly post it though. It flags anything that looks off and puts it in a review state so you can double check before it's finalized. The same idea applies to email. So instead of uploading manually, vendors can email their invoices directly into the system. Intacct monitors that inbox, reads that bill, and creates the bill automatically. In both cases, the goal is the same. So less data entry, fewer mistakes, and faster turnaround. One thing that's worth calling out is that it's not just automation for the sake of speed. AP automation also uses AI to help validate the bill. It can flag potential duplicates, mismatches, or other things that don't look quite right before they ever get posted. So you can review them before they become a problem. One of the most common things it flags is potential duplicates. So if someone manually keyed a bill and that same invoice later comes in through email or upload, Intacct will catch that and say, hey, we might already have this. For fuel companies, we hear that happens a lot. So seeing vendor invoices coming through multiple channels. So this system gives you that visibility before you accidentally pay the same bill twice. So here I opened up one of those flagged bills. You'll see it, as I stated, in a review state. So on this screen, I can view that original invoice side by side with what Intacct extracted. So Intacct here used AI to pull up the vendor, amount, date, coding, all of that. And I can review it here. And if anything needed to be adjusted, I can edit it right here before it gets posted. Everything looks fine. I could just go ahead and hit submit. But in this case, there's also an error note at the top. So this one was flagged as a potential duplicate. I can click on it, and it shows me the bill that it thinks this is a duplicate of. I can review both, confirm if it's actually a duplicate, and then fix it or dismiss it and be on my way. So the system is really acting like a second set of eyes, helping you slow down in the right places without slowing the whole process down.